Yeah, so I'm here to present Retriever, which is a universal AI web agent. So just like OpenAI Operator, but faster, cheaper, better. So I know what you guys are here for, AI agents clicking things on the web. So say it's like find Retriever's LinkedIn page and follow. So my AI web agent will search for Retriever in the search bar and do all these actions on the web. So it search, no hands, scrolls and automatically interacts with the DOM to find Retriever's LinkedIn and follow. Okay, yeah, so it came to the page and it will click. So it's not just data, so it's not just interacting with the web page, running out of time here, so it can also scrape pages you have. So say you're comparing headphones, it can automatically scrape these things to Google Sheets for you. We have deep tab research, think like Perplexity or Google Deep Research, but on your local tabs. So you can select across a bunch of your open tabs and do interactions to research on them and like construct research. We also have function calling. So maybe you have defined a Slack message function and you're just like, send a summary of the latest headlines as a Slack message. And it just gets using AI function calling to paste it into Slack. And we can also generate graphs of any content on the page. So it's like a new way of doing UI, of creating dynamic content on any website you have. You can just be like, create a graph of this instead. So these are all the interesting things we have. Check out Retriever, novowels.ai, and download the extension. Thank you.